Alex just crunched on a great big chewy tea bag. It was lush. I can't believe that I managed to crunch on it for so long. I love my tea so strong. It's really good for my health. I just love it because it makes my mouth all get messed up, and just the taste in general is so flaky and, well, it's just hard to describe, but I love tea in my mouth daily, especially when it's fresh like that. Fresh ground tea, lovely in the back of my throat, and I'm digesting it while sucking on a great big tea bag. Thank you, bye-bye.